So, g'day people, how you going? This is Glenn again, back with another Australian English video, and I hope you can hear me, because there's lots of wind. Anyway, today, gonna say some other expressions for get stuffed. And if you're not too familiar with get stuffed just means go away. I really do not want to be around you, I don't want you near me, fuck off, generally. So, one expression we could say is get a rat up ya. So, when you get a rat up ya, you're getting stuffed because there's rat. He's up your ass and it's stuffing you. Get a big black dog up ya. Same shit. Same as a rat. That's generally probably in reference to sexual intercourse with a dog, which is pretty disgusting, but you know, get a dog up ya. Rack off. Rack off. Why don't you rack off, mate? Get stuffed. So, why don't you piss off? Why don't you rack off? Just rack off. It's more of a polite word to fuck off or get stuffed. So it's more polite way of saying it. Get knotted. That's a very polite way of saying go away. Get stuffed. Fuck off. So get knotted. What else? Bite your bum. Bite your bum. So that's generally in reference when someone says something like they go, oh, I don't like your hair is terrible. Then you go, yeah, just bite your bum, will you? So those are some words that we say. Oh, the sun's gone now. Beautiful. See? Sunny's over there. And it's got about an hour's light left. So there are some words to say when you want to tell someone to fuck off or get stuffed in Australia. So when you come and someone is annoying you, and you don't really like them, just tell them to get a dog up them, get a black dog up them, or rack off. Okay? So, but don't rack off, please don't rack off, just stay to the end of the video and watch more of our other videos and have an awesome time, because Australian English, it's like every other language, it's very unique and it's awesome to learn. I'd like to talk to you next time. Hooroo mates, please like and subscribe, have an awesome day, bye bye.